Hello, I'm Catherine, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to analyse a pair of spectacles using the SOLOS, Topcon's automated lens analyzer. I want to measure all of the lens characteristics for both lenses, so I'm going to select lens meter and spectrometer, but you can just select the lens meter on its own or just the spectrometer. Simply place the nose pads of the spectacle frame against the nose piece, push away and release. And then with just the touch of one button, the SOLOS accurately positions the spectacles, aligns the optical path, maps all aspects of the lens power, and then goes on to measure the transmittance and the chromaticity of the lens if that's been selected. Then it moves on to do exactly the same for the second lens. With the SOLOS back in its starting position and the frame supports released, I simply push the nose piece away and lift gently out. I can then review the results on the screen. I can print, or I can send them to an EHR, CV5000 digital phoropter, or the Chronos binocular refraction system. And that's how you analyse a pair of spectacles using the Topcon SOLOS. For more information, please check out Topcon Healthcare University.